Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Shahzaib. Today we have got something exciting in store for you. We are going to dive into the world of machine learning and explore how Python, particularly with the help of the Scikit-Learn library, can be used to implement regression functions. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. So let's get started. In this video, we will be exploring linear regression with Python using the Scikit-Learn library. We will begin with a simple linear regression task. We want to predict the percentage of marks a student is expected to score based on the number of hours they studied. It's a classic problem, and we will answer the question: what will be the predicted score if a student will study 9.25 hours or 9 hours 15 minutes per day? So let's begin by importing all the required libraries like pandas, numpy and matplotlib for the project. After this, we will load our dataset from the database, which include only two attributes, hours and scores. After this, let's visualize our data. We'll create a 2D plot to see if there's any relationship between the hours studied and the percentage score. After this, we will prepare the data. We will divide it into attributes and labels. After this, we will with the help of the train test split function, we will split our data into training and testing set. After this, we will train our data, our model on the training data, as you can see in the code. When our model is trained, we will then able to make predictions based on that model. With the help of the testing data, we are going to make predictions, as you can see in the code. So now moving towards the actual question: what will be the predicted score if a student will study 9.25 hours per day? So we will input 9.25 hours to a model as a testing set, and we will see what will be the output. Number of hours is equal to 9.25, and here we can see that if a student will able to study 9.25 hours a day, he can be able to achieve 90% marks. Lastly, we evaluate the model's performance. We will use the root mean squared error, a simple and interpretable metric, to assess how well our model is doing. Thank you for joining us today on this journey into the world of machine learning. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.